What if I told you that getting rich is actually simple? The real challenge isn't making money, it's convincing yourself that you can. Think about it. Wealth isn't just about numbers in a bank account. It starts in your mind. And right now, your beliefs about money could be the biggest thing holding you back. Most people spend their entire lives working hard, struggling, and believing that financial success is out of reach. But here's the truth. The difference between rich and broke isn't luck, intelligence, or even effort. It's mindset. Rich people think differently. They see money as an opportunity, not a struggle. They believe success is inevitable, not impossible. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. I'm about to give you 7 powerful mindset shifts that will rewire your brain for wealth. By the end of this video, you'll start to see money in a completely new way. And once that happens, success becomes effortless. So, if you're ready to break free from the beliefs that have been holding you back, hit that like button and subscribe. Because today, everything changes. How many times have you heard, if you just work hard, you'll be successful? But look around. Millions of people are working harder than ever, yet they're still struggling. Meanwhile, the wealthiest people in the world aren't necessarily the ones grinding the hardest. They're the ones thinking the smartest. Hard work alone doesn't create wealth. If it did, construction workers, janitors, and factory employees would be the richest people on earth. But they're not. The real key isn't how hard you work. It's what you work on and how you think about money. Wealthy people don't trade time for money. They build systems, they invest, they leverage other people's time and skills. Think about this. A janitor might work 14-hour shifts every day, struggling to pay bills. Meanwhile, an investor might spend 2 hours reviewing a deal and make more in a week than most do in a year. It's not because one works harder, it's because one understands how wealth is created. So here's the shift. Stop thinking like an employee who gets paid only when they clock in. Start thinking like an owner, an investor, a creator. Ask yourself, what skill, knowledge, or opportunity could help me earn more while working less? Because that's how true wealth is built. And if this is opening your eyes, drop a comment below and tell me. What's one skill you could develop that pays you more without making you work harder? Most people believe that having more money will change their life. But here's the truth. Money is not the cause of success. It's the effect of your mindset, your actions, and the value you create. Think about it like fitness. You don't get fit by simply wanting muscles. You get fit by lifting weights, eating right, and staying consistent. The muscles are just the result of those habits. Wealth works the same way. You don't get rich just by wanting money. You get rich by developing the right habits, making the right decisions, and shifting the way you think about wealth. That's why so many lottery winners go broke. They received money, but they didn't change their mindset. They still thought like poor people, so they lost it all. On the other hand, self-made millionaires could lose everything today, and within a few years, they'd rebuild their wealth. Why? Because their mindset, skills, and habits are what created their fortune in the first place. So here's the shift. Stop chasing money as if it's the answer. Instead, focus on who you need to become to attract and keep wealth effortlessly. Ask yourself, what beliefs, habits, or skills do I need to develop so that money flows to me naturally? And here's a challenge. For the next 7 days, start tracking your thoughts about money. Are you focused on abundance, or are you stuck in a scarcity mindset? Drop a comment below and tell me, what's one belief about money that you're ready to change? Look at the 5 people you spend the most time with. Their income, their mindset, their habits, whether you realize it or not, they're shaping your financial reality. Studies show that your income tends to reflect the average of your closest circle. If you're surrounded by people who struggle, complain about money, and believe success is for other people, guess what? That mindset is rubbing off on you. Wealthy people think differently. They see opportunities where others see obstacles. They talk about investments, not just expenses. They focus on growth, not limitations. If you're always around people who fear taking risks, doubt their potential, and accept struggle as normal, it's almost impossible to break free. But here's the good news. You don't need to cut people out of your life. You just need to expand your circle. Start following successful mentors. Read books by millionaires. Join groups where people think bigger. Because the more you surround yourself with abundance-focused people, the more their mindset will become yours. So here's your action step. Find one way today to bring more wealthy thinking into your life. Maybe it's watching more videos like this. Maybe it's reading a book by a self-made millionaire. Whatever it is, start now, because your financial future depends on the mindset you surround yourself with. And if you've ever wondered why some people make a lot of money easily, while you, even with so much sacrifice, study, and dedication, can't prosper, if you want to discover the secrets that helped me unlock my mind and go from debt to millionaire in less than 1 year, I have something amazing for you. In my new book, Rich Mind, I'm going to show you that getting rich is easy and that what's really difficult is convincing yourself of it. If you want to put an end, once and for all, to your hidden enemies who sabotage your success and unlock your mind to make money towards the life you deserve, I will leave the official link for you to download the Rich Mind ebook here in the description and in the first comment pinned to this video. Dare to think differently. Let's continue. And if this message is hitting home, make sure you're subscribed, because this channel is your new wealth mastermind. Every time you say, "I can't afford it," you're training your brain to accept lack. You're shutting down opportunities before they even have a chance to appear. Wealthy people don't think this way. They don't say, "I can't afford it." They ask, "How can I afford it?" And that small shift makes all the difference. When you say, "I can't afford it," your brain stops looking for solutions. But when you ask, "How can I afford it?" your brain starts searching for possibilities. You begin to see new income streams, investment opportunities, creative ways to make money. You move from a victim mindset to an opportunity mindset. Think about this. Two people see the same opportunity. One immediately says, "I can't afford it," and walks away. The other asks, "How can I make this happen?" and finds a way. A year later, the first person is in the same place. The second person has leveled up. The only difference? One closed the door on possibility. The other opened it. So here's your challenge. For the next 7 days, ban the phrase "I can't afford it" from your vocabulary. Every time you catch yourself thinking it, reframe it. Ask, "How can I make this work?" Drop a comment below and tell me, what's one thing you once thought you couldn't afford, but later found a way to get? Let's break those limits together. Most people think they're afraid of failure, but in reality, many are even more afraid of success, and they don't even realize it. Because success means change. It means responsibility. It means stepping into a bigger version of yourself, and that can feel uncomfortable. Think about it. What happens when you start making more money? Maybe your friends and family treat you differently. Maybe you worry that people will judge you, that you'll have more taxes to deal with, or that success will be too much to handle. Deep down, you might be afraid that wealth will bring more pressure than you're ready for. And that fear? It keeps you stuck. It makes you sabotage opportunities, delay action, or stay in your comfort zone, without even knowing why. But here's the truth. You can handle success. You are capable of abundance. The fear is just a lie your mind tells you to keep you safe. Safe from change. Safe from stepping into your full potential. But safety doesn't build wealth, growth does. So here's your action step. Write down 3 fears you have about becoming wealthy. Be honest. Are they real or just mental barriers? The first step to overcoming fear is exposing it. And if you're ready to step into your success, hit that like button right now, because the only thing standing between you and wealth is the fear you're about to leave behind. Most people think they need to have everything perfect before they start. The perfect plan, the perfect timing, the perfect amount of knowledge. But wealthy people know that success doesn't come from perfection. It comes from speed. The faster you take action, the faster you learn, adapt, and grow. Think about this. How many times have you delayed starting something because you felt not ready? How many opportunities have passed you by because you were waiting for the perfect moment? Meanwhile, someone else with less knowledge, less experience, and fewer resources just went for it, and they're now ahead. Why? Because they didn't wait. Wealthy people don't overthink. They make decisions quickly and adjust along the way. They know that action creates momentum, and momentum creates results. The truth is, you will never feel 100% ready. But the longer you wait, the more time you waste. So here's your challenge. What's one money-making idea, investment, or opportunity you've been delaying? Stop overthinking. Take the first step today, no matter how small. Drop a comment below and tell me what action you're taking right now. Because wealth isn't built by waiting, it's built by moving. The biggest reason people stay broke isn't lack of opportunity, intelligence, or even effort. It's that deep down, they don't truly believe they deserve wealth. And if you don't believe you deserve something, you'll always find a way to push it away. Think about it. If you secretly believe that money is evil, that rich people are greedy, or that success will make you a bad person, you'll sabotage yourself without even realizing it. You might procrastinate, make excuses, or pass up opportunities, all because deep inside, you're protecting yourself from a reality you think you're not worthy of. But here's the truth. Wealth is not something you earn. It's something you allow. It's already available to you, but you have to say yes to it. Look at your life right now. Everything you have, or don't have, is a reflection of what you believe you deserve. The good news? You can change that belief today. Start affirming, "I am worthy of unlimited wealth and success." Say it every morning. Write it down. Feel it. Because when you believe you deserve abundance, you start making decisions that attract it effortlessly. So here's your challenge. For the next 30 days, repeat this affirmation daily. I am worthy of wealth. Say it like you mean it. And if you're ready to claim your abundance, drop a comment below and type, "I deserve wealth." Let the world know you're done playing small. Wealth isn't reserved for the lucky few. It's for those who shift their mindset and take action. You've just learned 7 powerful shifts that can rewire your brain for success, but knowing them isn't enough. You have to apply them. Because every day you delay, you're reinforcing the old beliefs that keep you stuck. So ask yourself, which shift spoke to you the most? Which one made you realize, this is what's been holding me back? Drop it in the comments. And more importantly, take action today. Start thinking like the wealthy. Start making decisions like someone who deserves success. Because you do. The only question is, are you finally ready to claim it? If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because this is just the beginning. Your journey to wealth starts now.